Look at that beautiful bio. Look how wonderful that bio is, right? I've had the honor to have so many different people on my show, Elevating Beyond, and a lot of NFL players. And one NFL player I've gotten to know well, he has played for one of the best schools in the country in college, won the championships, then got drafted in the top round to 3 different NFL teams where he crushed it over the years. But what doesn't show in that beautiful little bio is the conversation we had on the phone a while back when he broke down into tears and said his relationship with his son is estranged. How him doing everything he did with football and living this glamorous life, he completely shut off that other end of that relationship with his son. Now his son is in his teens and he has no relationship with him. And the depression he carries, the weight he bears on his shoulder, and the fear and the doubt he struggles with, but his bio looks so beautiful. And I just want all of you to understand this, watching this, that don't think that someone's bio, like it's always the story behind the story. That's the best story. And so understand, like, don't count yourself out. Don't think that because someone has this amazing bio that you can't be where they are, that you can't do anything. Because don't think that your problems are limited to you. Like mine, it shows that before I was a #1 best-selling author and business owner for 12 years plus and had a podcast with 2 million downloads, I was in jail at age 17. I was selling drugs, doing all this stuff, went to jail, almost died, had a broken eye socket, broken jaw, continued to struggle with drugs, fear and doubt, had issues in my marriage off and on, but then I continued to get to that next level, and now I have this beautiful bio. But I also don't want you to understand that if I was to show you my bio literally right now, it would read Mark Minard, #1 best-selling author, also was terrified, feeling fear and doubt right before he got on to do this Facebook Live that you're watching right now. That's right. These battle scars we carry aren't just from the past. These are things that we all go through ongoing. Everyone goes through fear and doubt. Everyone has their own scars, so don't count yourself out. I just want to tell all of you that it's okay. Like whatever you have, whatever you're going through, you're not alone. We all go through our own different battles ongoing, and the beautiful thing is that you don't ever have to let them stop you. These things don't count you out. They don't seclude you. You know what they make you? A human being. And guess what? Human beings are amazing. We're capable of doing anything. And if you ever feel like you have nothing, remember, when you have nothing, anything is possible. See you later, everyone. Have a great weekend.